Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Culinarian Chest and grow a garden cooking update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Culinarian Chest, you need to feed this red Connoisseur with mutated food. So you need to cook here and make sure that you submit your food with mutation, so your food will get mutation. Oops, sorry. I'm just going to pick random food and I'm going to submit it. Okay, I'm going to choose the mutated fruit, so it can increase the mutation level. Okay, we need to reach 100% if we can. Okay, and I think I need one more fruit. Okay, I'm going to submit this fruit. Alright, and I'm going to click on cook. Alright, and then after we cook something, we can feed this red Connoisseur. And then after we feed the red Connoisseur with mutated food, we will have a chance to get the Culinarian Chest. You will have 3 rewards options, and then you need to choose one of them, and one of them can be this Culinarian Chest. You will have a chance to get this Culinarian Chest, and of course I'm going to choose this Culinarian Chest. Okay, and then I'm going to open the chest. I'm going to go to the seed item, and this is the Culinarian Chest that we got from the red Connoisseur, and let's see. Okay, I got Badlands paper. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Culinarian Chest and grow a garden cooking update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!